Hello friends, today we will see join clause in MySQL. When we want to join two tables or more than two tables, then we can use join clause. So let us see various types of joins. There are basically two types of join. One is inner join and the second one is outer join. Again, there are three types of outer join. One is left outer join, second one is right outer join, and the third one is full outer join. So let us understand all types of join in detail. Suppose we have two tables, table A and table B, and we want to join that two tables. So let us go for the very first type of join, that is called inner join. In case of inner join, it is going to derive common data from both the tables. So in this animation, you can easily identify that the green part is common part in both the tables. So that will be a part of resultant table. Fine. Now let us move towards outer join. In outer join, very first we will go for left outer join. In case of left outer join, it is going to derive all the data from the table which is on the left hand side of join clause and the common data from the table which is on the right hand side of the join clause. Fine. So in this diagram you can easily identify that the table which is on left hand side is full green and the common data from the other table will be derived. Fine. Now let us move towards the right outer join. In case of right outer join, it is going to derive all the data from the table which is on the right hand side of join clause. So it is also going to derive the common data which is from the table which is on the left hand side of the table. Fine. So this way the right outer join works, and in the end we have full outer join. So in case of full outer join, it is going to derive the data from both the table. All the records from both the tables will be derived from in case of full outer join. So these are four types of joins in SQL. Be ready for the examples in next video. Thank you very much.